Levi from Trident here, and today we're going to go over how to actually install the iLOQ software onto your computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to iLOQ's website, just iLOQ.com, and you're going to want to go over to support. And once you get into support, you're going to go to downloads right here. From downloads, you're going to go iLOQ 5 series. This is for the iLOQ 5 series download. And then from there, we're going to go download the iLOQ 5 series manager. So we'll click on that and pick the country. So I'm in Canada here, so we'll pick that one. Alright, so then we're going to hit, we'll just save it here on our desktop. We'll open that up. Okay, so here we go. Here we got the manager here, so we'll hit install. And this is going to take just a little bit of time, so we'll come back when it's over. Alright, so it's just about done here. There we go. Is installed. This window will automatically open up for us, and from there on in, you're going to want to install the driver for the token. So that'll be covered in a later video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, have a good day, guys.